Hi everyone, welcome to my first video of 2023. If this is your first time here, my name is Jan and I'm an automotive photographer. I want to show you something a little bit different today. This is the Fujica STX-1 film camera. This camera was manufactured from the late 1970s to the early 1980s. This thing is in perfect working condition. And I'm so excited to have this camera and play around with it, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like. So it comes in this really cool vinyl case, something that you don't see today's cameras come with. So it unclips at the back, you fold the front bit over and it exposes the camera. So what you can also do then is from the back you can unclip this part if you don't want that dangling off and interfering with your shots. So then you've just got the bottom bit here protecting the camera. If this is still in the way for you, unclip it there, hook it over the camera strap, and there's the camera. So that's what this little thing looks like. It is such a nice little camera, it is so awesome. And for some reason, just getting my hands on this thing has sparked a bit of creativity and a newfound drive for the art of photography. So this thing does, like I say, does still take film. I'll be using the Kodak Color Plus. This has not expired film, this is new film. This only expires next year. So I know a lot of film photographers do shoot with expired film. It does give a creative look to the photos, but I think for now I'm going to go with just regular film. I have a roll of expired Fuji Velvia, which is slide film, and that I'll be using at a different stage, at a different location. So this will be going with me to a few of my shoots and just trying to see what I can get. So it might be a little bit before you get to see the photos. This is a 36 exposure film, and I'm not going to be wasting any of them just because I'm impatient to see what the photos look like. But when I do eventually develop this film, I will show you what those photos look like. So tomorrow I actually have a shoot lined up with a Harley Davidson, and I am super excited for this shoot. It's been quite a while since I've taken photos of a bike, and so yeah, this is something I want to explore a little bit more, see where it leads me on this crazy path of photography. I hope you're well. I hope that the new year has treated you well. I know we're just about in March already, but I hope that the start of the year has gone well for you. It seems like time just absolutely flies by. If you like this video, I know it was just a short one, but please hit that like button for me. It really does make a difference. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.